Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayush and in today's video I'll be drawing myself as an anime character. So for the last drawing of 2018 I wanted to do something really different, something really unique which I have never done before. So I decided to draw myself as an anime character which I have never done before ever. So this is going to be my first ever attempt for doing something like this. So for drawing today's sketch, I'll be using this picture as a reference because this is one of my very recent picture, and also because the pose in this picture is not a very simple one and it's sort of more dynamic, so that's why I chose this picture to draw. So without any further ado, let's turn Ayush into an anime character. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. And our drawing is complete, guys. I did not expect this at all because it was my first time. I had very less expectations and but I'm surprised and I am really happy with these results. It turned out way better than I expected. I tried to draw it in my own style, but at the same time I also tried to make sure that it has that anime sort of effect and that anime touch to it. And at the end of the drawing I added a good colorful background to it to make it look more awesome and to pop it out even more. And I think I did manage to pull this off. It does look like an anime character. It was really challenging, especially the coloring process, but at the end I enjoyed this a lot, and I think it's a good ending note for 2018. I had a lot of fun this year making so many drawings and so many drawing videos for you guys, and I hope you guys all enjoyed my videos too. I can't wait to make more awesome content and more awesome drawings and experiment more with my videos and my drawings in 2019, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. And if you're not part of the channel yet, then don't forget to subscribe for more awesome drawings, videos and more awesome content in 2019. And that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next year in my next video. Bye bye.